Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairy Tale Flavor. I'm Selena and today I'm showing y'all how to make a honey butter skillet corn. This is one of our favorite side dishes. In a large skillet over medium-high heat, melt 4 tablespoons of salted butter and 4 tablespoons of honey. Once melted, you want to add in 2 pounds of frozen corn and cook for about 5 minutes or until cooked through, and stirring occasionally. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please hit that red subscribe button. I post new recipes every week. Then I'm going to add in 4 ounces of cream cheese that I cut into chunks. I'm going to season with half a teaspoon of salt and pepper. Stir together and let cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. And this honey butter skillet corn is ready. I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. You can find the full recipe on my blog page at A Fairytale Flavor. I'll leave the link in the description below. And I'll see you all for my next video. Thanks for watching!